plastics.
Do you ever wonder if maybe you chose the wrong career path? Do you feel left out because all your friends work for cool tech companies, creating a brighter future for humanity while you're just stuck doing normal work? Are you a curious thinker type who sometimes does things not online and then has an innovative idea to make an app to do those same things online and thinks, I might have a gift for this? Do you ever wish you could do college over again and study computer science, but that it's not your fault that you didn't do it the first time around because when you were applying for college, programming was still for nerds because the startup scene wasn't really a thing yet, and how were you supposed to know that Elon and Zuck were going to become rock stars and make it okay for cool, normal people like you to work in tech without compromising their identity as creative thinkers? Introducing SKEWL. SKEWL is not a school. SKEWL is redefining what it means to get a tech education with an immersive bootcamp program designed not just to teach you the skills, but also to instill the superiority complex and sense of entitlement you'll need to succeed in today's tech industry. Over the course of our 3-month indoctrination, you'll go from no expectations to absolutely unreasonable expectations as you add essential lessons to your tool belt like HTML and CSS, how to use buzzwords like blockchain and machine learning, even when you're not really sure how they're relevant. APIs, throwing subtle shade on people who don't know how to code, and JavaScript frameworks. But that's not all. SKEWL doesn't just teach you the hard skills. We also teach you how to think like a founder and see the world through the lens of the startup. Imagine being able to take antiquated industries like mattresses and toothbrushes and transform them into disruptive startup companies by adding innovative technologies like a website and ads on the subway. Imagine having the ability to watch software companies like Facebook fail catastrophically without ever having to compromise even slightly on your belief that high-tech solutions always equal progress. Now, you may be wondering, how is SKEWL different from those for-profit college scams people always talk about? Won't paying thousands of dollars to learn things I could have learned for free on the internet make me look lazy and unmotivated to potential employers? Great question. Unlike for-profit colleges, SKEWL is called SKEWL, which is clever because it sounds like a thing you're familiar with, but it's spelled differently so that you know we're disrupting that thing. Our logo is written in Helvetica, which is the same font that Apple uses, which means we're creative innovators, not nerds. But most of all, we recognize that feeling like you're a part of the startup scene is what's most important to you. So we've removed our ceiling panels and fully stocked our classrooms with free snacks, including alcoholic beverages like beer, something only truly talented innovators are responsible enough to handle at work. You'll feel like you're in a real startup from day one. Being part of the club will be so fun, you'll barely notice how much we're charging you. SKEWL's post-program statistics are impressive. When you complete the curriculum, you'll join thousands of other graduates in feeling qualified for jobs like senior full-stack developer and data scientist, with median starting salaries of $140,000. Sound good? We think so too.